Whoa. I just flipped this red milk snake. Cool aberrant pattern. That's the word I forgot the last time. But look at that. I'm gonna get some photos of this guy and then let him back under his rock. But how cool. I don't want to jinx myself, but he hasn't pooped on me yet. The last one did. So cool. Look at that. I'm so happy I'm finding milks now. I couldn't wait. So cool. Yeah, nice checker pattern on the belly. All right, let's get some photos of this guy. Some of that red. Really pretty, dude. How cool. Such a bright red. It's so cool. Ah. Buddy, I see you. Bye-bye. Yeah, really pretty. High whites, too. Although the top's a little bit, like, kind of tannish. Go ahead, buddy. So cool. See you later, buddy.